Namaste dear friends, I'm Lallu Marquiz. Today I'm going to share you 6 important yoga poses that will help you to get out of neck and shoulder pain. I suggest you to practice this every day in the morning and hold in a yoga posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then move to the next yoga posture. Let's begin the session. We will start. The first yoga posture is cat stretching or Marjari Asana. You have to stay in your palms and your knees. Your palms are shoulder width apart. Your knees are hip width apart. Tuck in your toes. As you inhale, your head up, chest up, look upwards, and your hip is going backward. And as you exhale, roll your hip inward, bring your head and chest inside, look at your navel. Then inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Do this posture at least 5 to 6 times, then move to the other posture. This is thread to needle posture. You have to stay in your same position. Stay in your knees. Knees are hip width apart. Your hands are moving forward. And bring the head down. Stay in the posture. Then bring your left hand to the right side. Bring your left elbow on the mat. Place your left side of the cheek on the mat and your right hand up. Stay in this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then come to the center. Then we have to do the other side. Your right hand to the left side. Place the right cheek on the mat. Left hand up. Look forward. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come to the center. Then the other yoga posture is Gomukhasana. This is a variation of Gomukhasana. We have to sit on your heels. As you inhale, your right hand up, right hand behind your back, right palm behind your back, then bring your left hand behind your back. Then interlock the fingers like this. If it is not possible to interlock the fingers, you can place like this. Then look upwards and breathe. Stay in the position 30 seconds to 1 minute and do the other side. Advanced practitioners can interlock the fingers, or if you're a beginner, you can do like this. And after that, we'll be doing the left hand. Left hand behind your back, interlock the fingers, and look up. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute and come down. The fourth yoga posture is Trigonasana. For that, you have to stand on the mat. Your both legs wide apart. Your right toe pointing out, left toe pointing in. Keep your both knees are straight. Both hands on the shoulder level. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, bring the right hand closer to the right feet and look at the left fingertip. Both knees are straight, both elbows are straight. Stay in the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute and breathe. Then slowly come to the center. We'll be doing to the other side. Left toe pointing out, right toe pointing in. Inhale, both hands on the shoulder level. As you exhale, a left hand to the left knee, near to the left feet. Look at the right fingertip and breathe. 30 seconds to 1 minute and come to the center. Then other posture is Virabhadrasana. Stay in the same position, your both legs wide apart, your right toe pointing out and left toe pointing in. Turn your upper body towards the right side. Then bend your right knee. Right knee is parallel with the right heel. Left knee straight. Both hands on shoulder level. Inhale, both hands up. Both elbow closer to the ear. Palms together in prayer position or separated. Look forward and breathe. The same time, 30 seconds to 1 minute, and breathe. Then we are switching to the other side. Down. Now, upper body towards the left side. Bend your left knee. Left knee is parallel with the left heel. Right knee straight. Both hands on shoulder level. Both hands over the head. Palms together in prayer position or slightly separated. Look forward and breathe. 30 seconds to 1 minute. And exhale down. The final yoga posture is Padahastasana. Standing forward bent. Your both hands, your both feet hip width apart. And then now you inhale, both hands up. Exhale, fold forward from the hip. If you have a back pain, you can slightly bend your knees. You can place the palms near to the feet and look down and breathe. If you don't have your back pain, you can keep the knees straight and look down. Give a nice deep breathing. Stay the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And slowly bend your knees, both hands on your knees. Slowly come to the center. These are the 6 yoga postures you can practice if you have a shoulder or neck pain. You can practice every day in the morning and 30 seconds to 1 minute each yoga posture and find out the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you with another video. Namaste.